Introducing avocado, Persia americana of the family Lauraceae. Avocado is a medium-sized tree to 20 meters tall. Leaves are alternate elliptic or ovate, somewhat stiff. Flowers are small and greenish. Fruit is oblong or globose, green turning maroon to purple when ripe, and pear-shaped. The pulp is green and yellow, soft, edible, and the seed is one hard, oblong, or rounded. Avocado is native to South America. It was introduced to the Philippines during the Spanish period and is now widespread. It is propagated by seeds. Several preclinical studies performed in the last few decades emphasize the unique nutritional and phytochemical composition of avocado and its potential in treating and preventing different diseases. A few studies also indicate the cumulative effects of avocado components in preventing and treating oxidative stress and age-related degenerative diseases. A few reports have suggested the role of avocado in improving the bioavailability of nutrients from other plant-based foods. Therefore, consuming avocados with different fruits and vegetables can benefit human health.